Healthy yogurt cream with cooked fruits. Serves 2 and takes 15 minutes to prepare. Light, no frying, perfect for breakfast or a snack. 1 cup of plain natural yogurt. Choose a low-fat or full-fat yogurt depending on preference. 1 cup of mixed seasonal berries or 1 cup of diced apple. These will be boiled gently to soften and sweeten. 2 tablespoons of honey to sweeten the cooked fruit naturally. 2 tablespoons of rolled oats for texture and fiber. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to boost omega-3 and thicken slightly. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest to add freshness. 1 pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Put 1 cup of mixed fruit into a small saucepan with 2 tablespoons of water. Bring the fruit to a gentle boil over medium heat until it simmers. Reduce heat to low and cook the fruit for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so it softens evenly. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 pinch of salt, stir well and cook for 1 more minute. Remove the fruit from heat and let it cool for 3 minutes. Stir 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into the warm fruit so they absorb some liquid and swell slightly for 2 to 3 minutes. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of plain natural yogurt with 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and stir until smooth. Layer half of the yogurt into 2 bowls or glasses using an even spoonful in each. Spoon half of the warm fruit mixture over the yogurt layers so each portion gets an even topping. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of rolled oats divided between the 2 bowls and add a few extra chia seeds for crunch. If desired, drizzle the remaining honey over each bowl for extra sweetness. Serve immediately or chill for 5 minutes for a cooler texture. This is the final step of the recipe. Enjoy your fit yogurt cream and share with friends. Thank you for watching. If you liked this fit yogurt cream recipe, please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell to get more healthy recipes.